This is 2002 Mitsubishi Eclipse engine. Cover up the alternator and spray lots of degreaser on the engine where there's a lot of oil and residue. Spray around the valve cover and the oil reservoir for the brakes. Next, I'm spraying regular soap from the pressure washer, and now I'm ready to clean the engine. Just spray around the engine, clean it all up, the pressure washer, and spray the engine. You don't have to worry about anything because we're gonna dry up the spark plug cables afterward. Okay, now I'm ready to dry it up. Just using some shop air to blow up some air and take out the spark plug cables to dry it up to avoid any arcing. So really quickly, you just pull it out, blow it with some air or whatever you have, dry it, and that's about it.